So, hello guys! What's up? So, ngayon talaga I will do the video. Kasi, ngayon lang ako medyo na-feel well. So, hello mga explorer! This is your Ella girl, Ella the Explorer. So, for today's video guys, tatalakayin natin yung pagdating ni Chris na. I know it's quite late na reaction video, but I really wait na ma-heal yung voice ko. It's not really healed right now, but I really tried my best to do this reaction video. So, para mapanood nyo rin yung aking reaction video about that. And, of course, hello sa mga ka-charity vlog dyan. To the PB team and solid Chris Pao Natics, Chris Pao supporters, and Chris Pao fan, to Team Paldo, Team Violet. Hello everyone! So, ito na nga, tatalakayin natin for today's video is all about yung pagdating ni Chris na sa Laguna, which is yung hinintay talaga siya ng the mother-in-law. Let's say that. The mother-in-law. Alam mo yun yung grabe yung pagtanggap talaga kay Krista. It's really good to see like the humble thing from Thessalona family. Alam mo yun yung mainit na pagtanggap kay Krishna, yung hindi siya iba. Yung alam mo nga, sinabi nga doon ng nanay ni Sir Paul na paborito niya si Krishna. So, alam mo yun, paborito niya si Krishna hanggang nagiging girlfriend siya ni Sir PB. So, come on guys, have on it. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, yun nga po, medyo very late lang siya ng konti. Kasi so far ngayon, they are traveling to Mindoro already. They're already in Mindoro, I mean. So, ayun nga, medyo na late tayo ng konti, but yun nga, So, ayun nga, medyo late tayo na very late for today kasi nga, nasa Mindoro na ngayon yung PB team and we do the later reaction video so far because yun nga, nagkasakit ako kaya I don't want to push more my voice kasi mawawala na talaga siya. And then, so yeah, nakakatuwa lang kasi alam mo yun yung very supportive ng mama ni Sir PB sa kung ano yung laman ng puso ni Sir PB ba? Yung ganun ba? Yung she loves, nakikita natin dito sa video na ito na nung pagdating nila talaga yung super supportive siya kung sino yung minahal ng kanyang anak. Yung, alam mo yun, yung she really showed the love and the support niya rin yung minamahal ni Sir PB. Of course, support niya rin yung anak niya na nagmamahal. So, it's so nice to see na supportado yung pamilya ni Sir PB sa kung ano man yung desisyon niya sa buhay, which is really good. Na yun nga na kahit noon pa man, grabe na talaga yung support. Not only Mother PB, si Nanay PB or Mommy PB, hindi lamang siya yung very supportive. Pati yung family yan, yung alam mo yung when the teleserye came hanggang sa, alam mo yun yung tipo na talagang they really support Sir PB kahit na nung sa ano pa lang, sa teleserye na ginagawa nilang dalawa, which is really good. Yung alam mo yun, yung you don't need to explain certain things na kasi you already know how they support Sir PB because of doon pala sa teleserye na ginawa talaga nila until sa pagpunta na ni Chris sa bahay nila, how they accept Chris na kahit nung hindi pa naman even on the teleserye thing pa lang yun, di ba, yung ginala siya ng mga kapatid ni Sir Paul because Sir Paul went to Vietnam and then come back and then, ayun, nagkaroon din siya ng mga bagong kaibigan. Alam mo yun, yung tanggap talaga siya ng family ni Sir Paul. And then, yun nga yung nagteteleserye sila. Alam mo yun, yung kahit sila, kinikilig sila kasi amakin mo, ilang taon na, tapos ngayon lang talaga sila nakakita na parang na-fell in love na si Sir PB sa kay Chris na talagang makikita mo yung love ni Sir Paul Jean Thessalonia kay Chris na ganun dun sa teleserye. kahit na yung family niya, yung pagsabi pa lang na may sasabihin si Sir Paul doon kay Chris na natin. And then, alam mo yung, kahit na yung reaction video nga ni Teacher Nida about it, niya, she said na, sobrang saya niya, na, so very, very happy siya na, yun nga, pumapag-ibig ulit si Sir Paul, at sinabi niya nga doon na, sana anuhan silang dalawa, magkapalagayan, ganun, kasi, of course, sabi niya nga doon na, talaga naman daw na may edad na si Sir Paul. But, age doesn't matter if they love each other. Yun nga yung naano natin na if you love each other, wala na talaga tayong magagawa dyan. Kaya, let's do it. Ganun na. Kaya, it's so nice na very support sila. Tapos, sinabi pa nga doon na kung ano man yung nararamdaman o kung ano man yung decision nilang dalawa, they support it really, really well, diba? Kahit na nung wedding, pumunta sila, diba, ng wedding ni PBonJ. And it's so nice na si Krishna is really they really let Krishna part of the family kasi nagiging abay si Krishna noon, ganon. And then, so forth, so on, pumunta sila ng Davao, bakit mo pumunta ka doon sa bahay ni Krishna? This is really, really good. Like, they met the half of the family already. Yung ganun ba ya, ganun sila ka-supportive, ganun nila kamahal si Krishna, ganun nila pinaparamdam on how they love Krishna talaga. So, it is really, really nice to see that on the part of the Tesalona family. So, ayun nga, di ba, nung pagdating nila, yung grabe yung salubong talaga ng mama ni Sir Paul na, hi Krishna, ganoon talaga. Tapos, of course, even sa PB team, hindi lang tayo ma-focus kay Chris, even sa PB team, yung 'di ba, yung early morning noon na pumunta sila, nagbili ng mga makakain ng team para like how blessed they are, the PB team, of course, the Tesalona family, like the love and respect na binigay ng Tesalonia is binibigay din ng Team Davao nung pumunta sila doon. Like, it is really, really good to see na the relationship is really, really nice. Even to Chris Pao, to Tesalonia family, Krishna, to Sir Paul family, and then the PB team. Like, you can see the genuine love that they are showing. Ganon. So, yun nga. So, doon pa nga lang, yung nakikita natin yung pagdating nila na talagang yakap agad si Krishna, na nag-bless. Like, you can see na talaga na they're very, very close. Ganun. Kahit na nung pumunta siya kina Teacher Nida na bahay. Ganun. Nung pumunta siya sa bahay ni Teacher Nida, talagang gusto niya sana yun mag-blessed. But because hindi siya makapag-bless, hindi siya makapag-bless. Hindi siya pinabless si Teacher Nida. It's just because sabi niya, wag na, hug na lang. Sabi niya ganon. Kasi nga, parang, if you will bless, tapos they're just like sister na. Yung tipo na sister na talaga yung turing ni Teacher Nida kay Krishna. It's so nice na, doon pa lang kita mo natanggap talaga siya ng family. Diba? Tapos meron pa tayo nakikita na nagtitiktok si Krishna, tapos si Mami PB. Alam mo yun, yung doon pa lang makikita mo na they're very, very close. Talagang, wala ka na talaga doon. Wala ka na talaga masasabi doon. So, ayun nga, makikita natin dito na if ever man na kung magkatuluyan talaga sila, we'd never know kasi what is the future thing. But of course, we really want na talaga sila na magkatuluyan, di ba? So yeah, wala na tayong dun pag sila nagkatuluyan, walang problema yun sa Tesalona family. Kasi ngayon pala nakikita na natin how they support, how the love that they give. Ngayon pa lang. So, let's hope na sana sila. And for today's video, yun na lamang po mga ka-Ella the Explorer. So, sana ay inyong nagustuhan itong video na ito. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is your Ella girl, Ella the Explorer.